Okay, we're in the canyon that I have suspected would have a waterfall over here. What is this, southeast of the ranch? And it looks like I see wet rocks. So we're gonna get closer and see if we see any flowing rocks. Pretty fun. You hear water? See? I told you. This is so cool. Oh man, and it's just seeping into the ground, so you know our aquifers are gonna be happy. I need to bring Tim back here and Ari. She'll love this. This is so fun. Now we gotta clean up after somebody, huh? It is a waterfall, see? Oh, okay, I'm coming. Oh my gosh, look.
We had to go up further.
Hold on, where, am I catching it? Oh, there it is. See? I knew it, I knew it, I knew it. I could smell the water. Oh my gosh. So very cool. What a blessing. Oh my gosh, here's more. Okay, I'm coming ever so carefully. Ugh. Look at that.
Look at that stuff growing out of the rocks.
Yeah. How cool is that? See, and this is where the wildlife comes to get a drink. Oh, look at the fern. Get out of the glare. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Amazing. You take a picture of me, Jean. I'll take a picture of you.
Oh, right. It's lovely.
Look at the, not only the fern and the moss, but the succulent growing up there. Oh my gosh. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Okay, Jean.
Okay, where's the waterfall? Is it on my head?
We made it to the waterfall. Good job, Jean. We sniffed it right out. This is so cool. The highlight of my day, other than waking up. Oh, and I got my BellaK9Bling.com. Da-da-da. I got my BellaK9Bling.com domain back. That was my other blessing today. And I told Timmy we were blessed to have one another. That was another blessing. So I was already 3 blessings in before I left the house today.
We need to identify the plants. Like, look at this plant growing out of the rock.
The lichen. What else? What are we?
This right here.
Oh, I think that's what she pointed out before, that indicates water in our area.
But look at like the leaf up there.
Yeah.
And then lichen.
Lichen. We like the lichen.
And succulents. Oh my goodness.
Ah, so very cool. We got to get to where we have cell coverage so we can call it.